As you know, NFTs have been a really hot topic right now in the crypto market. All year in 2021, they've really been getting so much attention across so many different platforms, and NFTs are really starting a digital revolution in cryptocurrency and in the world in general. Now, if you thought that NFTs were starting to cool down, you'd be sadly mistaken, because in my opinion, things are barely starting to heat up. There are so many different platforms that are offering not only creators specific venues where they could list their specific NFTs that they have on their social networks, but they're also allowing them to trade NFTs and also earn an income just by staking rewards for their NFTs and for their communities. So there are a lot of things happening right now under the hood for NFT markets. And in this video, I'm gonna go over a couple NFT platforms that I think have some insane potential to really explode in value over the coming years and even in the short term, simply because they empower not only creators, but the users who are using their platform. It's really going to be very interesting to watch how these platforms really start to grow, because if you can put NFTs and really connect ownership of NFTs and really give someone the opportunity to own something valuable in the digital asset space through owning an NFT, that's a huge paradigm shift from what we've ever seen before. It's always been that platforms own the creators and own the audiences. Well, now creators and audiences are going to be able to connect in a whole nother way that has not ever been possible through social media's current platforms. Now, anyone can create an NFT from their social media posts and all the other things that they're doing online. Now anyone can get into this marketplace. So in my mind, if anyone can now easily create NFTs and start earning an income from their most popular post on social media, that's going to be absolutely huge. And I'm so excited to see the future for these projects. So we're going to get into these top NFT projects that I think are going to explode in the future. And if you love everything about crypto, just like I do not forget to hit that subscribe button. That way, as I release more videos like this, you'll get notified. And of course, I do have to say this is not financial advice, so please do your own research anytime you're investing in any sort of a digital asset. This video is strictly for educational purposes only. So the first NFT marketplace I'm going to talk about today is called Only One. So if you go to onlyone.io, you'll be able to see everything they're offering on their website and all the powerful features they're creating now for content creators and for people who love buying NFTs. But they're doing so many things differently. So let's just check out some of the awesome things that Only One is doing that are really making them stand out from the rest of the NFT platforms, and also some of the things that, in my opinion, add to the credibility of this NFT platform. So first and foremost, they are built on the Solana blockchain. So they were one of the first NFT platforms to actually build on the Solana platform, which means people can transact seamlessly at super low costs and at extremely fast speeds. I think it was a brilliant move that they decided to build on Solana, simply because when you start to market this to the masses, the average person needs to be able to transact on the platform with relatively low as possible fees. You can't do that on some of the other blockchains like Ethereum, because you'd be paying about $50 per transaction. So in my opinion, they thought of the future and they saw the scalability with Solana was going to be much better for the end users, both customers and content creators, in the long run, simply because it's just a fast and cheap platform to build a dApp on. Now, one of the things that I really liked is that they got backing from Alameda Research. So if you don't know who Alameda Research is, they're a venture capital firm that specialize in the crypto markets. Now, they only invest in projects, in my opinion, I can't speak for Alameda Research, but from what I've seen in their portfolio, and I've been following them on Twitter for quite a while, they seem to only invest in crypto projects that have some insane potential to go exponential. They're very cautious on the projects that they choose to invest, but they've already invested millions of dollars in some of the top performing crypto projects already. So I'm basically piggybacking off of the hardcore research that I know Alameda already did. So that gave me extra peace of mind when I was looking at things to invest in, specifically looking at NFTs. I really like to see that VC capital has already produced cash for that specific business, because if they're backed by VCs, that means that they're not going to be strapped for cash, and I like that VCs are already backing this project. So Only One's really trying to be as straightforward as possible with the content creation process and selling your NFTs on their marketplace. So basically selling your content for a profit. So here's how easy the process is. First, what you do is you'll go to the platform and you'll mint your first NFT. So whatever piece of social media content that you think has potential to sell, go ahead and mint an NFT for it. And they're telling you a Genesis NFT is minted once a creator passes Know Your Customer. Next, the creator will list the NFT on the marketplace. And the second part is basically people purchasing your NFT. So fans bid on the Only One marketplace for a Genesis NFT. So it's sort of like an eBay of NFTs at this point, which is pretty cool because now you can bid on your favorite pieces of content from all of these different content creators. And now you can own a piece of that content forever. And what they're also doing is they're allowing people to earn cash for their crypto. So if you just stake the like token on your favorite creator, both you and the creator earn a yield on your cash. So you'll earn a specific APR based on a content creator that you're following. So that's amazing that you can now earn an income by following some of your favorite content creators. It's sort of like a co-ownership of content. Both are simultaneously being rewarded, which in my opinion make the Only One platform one of the hottest NFT platforms for the future, because now they're allowing people to now earn an income by just simply staking their tokens and following their favorite NFT creators. And here's how farming is going to work on the Only One platform. It's simply post the content. So the creator posts exclusive content in the form of an NFT. Then the second, the fans bid on the Only One marketplace, and now the fan owns it. And 3, community unlock. Other fans unlock content with like. So I mean, that's pretty cool because now anyone can unlock a token, and now the user can earn cash for the content they've already purchased from the creator. So it's like a two-way mechanism of earning cash. The content creator can sell it to a specific fan, and now that fan can basically do whatever they want with that piece of content, and they can allow other people to view that content now simply by providing like tokens to the user now. So now they can like sort of resell or sort of redistribute that content any way they like, and they can allow other users to basically view this content for staking a certain amount of like tokens. And now the transaction is split between the owner and the creator, and it's really that simple. Now here are the things that they are working on for Q4. So what Only One is working on at the moment is a mobile app development. They're doing a lottery system, and they have a public launch coming up. So they're really trying to expand the token awareness to some of the top blockchains and to some of the top exchanges. So this is really going to be for people who are getting in early. They're going to get in way before they begin to really explode this thing on other exchanges, on other social media platforms, before a lot of people start generating content and producing it and putting it on the marketplace. They're really getting their engines going very early on. So that's why I'm sharing this project with you now, so you can really see what some of the potential is for some of these NFT platforms that have barely been getting started but have some amazing promise. Now, of course, I always recommend that you read the white paper. So if you're going to check out Only One, read the white paper, just see what markets they're serving and how they're going to serve those markets in the future. That's one of the best places to get information about a crypto project, is simply by reading the white paper and then doing your due diligence when you're looking to make any sort of crypto investment. So what Only One's trying to accomplish is basically they want to be a one-stop shop for creators to not only sell content, but to co-own content with their fans. They're really wanting to build out the creator and the fan base marketplace so people can easily transact with their favorite creators and own a piece of their favorite creators' content forever. They really want to be the go-to marketplace for NFTs in the future, and they're really trying to build a huge marketplace with not only a ton of creators but a ton of fans. And I'm so bullish on this project simply because it's barely getting warmed up right now. Now the next NFT platform that I'm super bullish on right now is called Clout Art. So if we go to clout.art, you'll be able to see some really cool things from a very hot crypto project right now. This platform is trying to enable everyday people to start selling their favorite Instagram posts right now for cash. So you don't even need to be a really hot creator or even super well known. If you just have at least 150 followers on Instagram, you can start selling your Instagram posts on their marketplace right now. And to me, that's really powerful, because when you can open up NFTs for everyone and not just focus on the top content creators at the moment, I do see why that's important. But if you can open up the doors for anyone, then I see exponential growth for that particular project, because so many more people are going to be using the protocol, that now once more and more people are using the protocol, it just adds so much more value to that actual protocol in the long term. And in my opinion, it makes it grow faster because people are actually using the platform. Everyday users, everyday people who basically just want to sell their favorite pieces of content online, now they can do so on a platform like Clout Art. Now, Clout Art has some really good backers already. One of the most credible investors that I think is AU21 Capital, which is one of the top VC firms out there right now in the crypto space, and they backed this protocol. So that gave me peace of mind knowing, okay, this project has long-term potential. They have a really good investor. Now let's see what they produce. Now Clout Art is still in the beta process of their mainnet, but from what I can see, it looks really promising. So when you look at the app already on Clout Art, you can see what they're already allowing you to do. So if you want to sell your favorite piece of content from Instagram right now and you have at least 150 followers, all you need to do is click on create your first NFT and you'll be prompted to go through a certain amount of steps to now find what piece of content you would like and sell it on their marketplace. It's really that easy. You just have to click create your first NFT and immediately you'll be able to sell all your favorite pieces of Instagram content as an NFT on their marketplace right now. And you can already see they have a few auctions already and people are just selling, you know, some of their favorite content. This person had almost 3,000 likes. It was from 2019, 158 comments, and they're selling it for $148 right now. So if you wanted that piece of content, you would just go to buy and you'd be able to purchase that piece of content and own it in the form of an NFT. So this is why this is so powerful, because it's so easy to now list an NFT from your social media content and basically profit right away from content you think is sellable or for content you think people will find value from. So people who love photography or who love digital art, things like that, and just creating content for the beauty of it, now they'll be able to get so much more value from not only just getting likes and not being able to monetize the content other than providing it to the platforms to get valuable. Now they can sell their content in addition to providing value to their audience on both ends. So I hope you guys can see the value in this. I mean, if just anyone can now start creating content and now listing it, so it basically connects your Instagram and you say, okay, I want to sell this Instagram post for $500. Boom, it takes you through the steps and you can list it on their platform. Like I mentioned earlier, they are still in beta, but they have some hardcore capital backing them. Last I checked, they raised over $37 million. So that's a lot of money to put into a project that's brand new. So that's a lot of money for marketing. That's a lot of money for PR, basically everything, protocol development. And since they attracted so much capital from VCs, I'm just really excited to see what they can do with this. I mean, this is barely the beta, and now anyone can start selling their Instagram posts. So in the future, they're going to be adding Twitter, TikTok, and basically any social media platform that you can think of. They'll eventually begin adding those networks to the platform. So you can see how a project like this can really heat up really quickly, because anyone can now start selling their favorite pieces of social media content on a credible marketplace and just start earning cash for their favorite pieces of content. It's really that straightforward. So I've been following Clout Art for quite a while now, and I just think it's one of the top NFT platforms that not a whole lot of people have already heard about. You know, a lot of NFT platforms that are already really popular, the price is already built into the popularity. Now, since this is still a new project, the price isn't built into the project in my opinion yet. It's still a fairly new project. It only got listed a few days ago, and so I'm really starting to see how much potential this can bring to future users, not only as an investment, but also because of all the things that it's allowing people to do to start earning income from their content. I mean, now you have TikTok, Twitter are some of the largest social media platforms in the world, and now they're offering NFT services to their users. That's insane. So on top of all of that, that's why I'm extremely bullish right now on NFTs, because we're barely scratching the surface on what's possible right now for NFTs in cryptocurrency right now. Well, there you have it. Those are the top NFT platforms that I'm keeping a close eye on right now that I think have some insane potential. So please share your thoughts in the comments. I would really love to hear what you think about these projects. And if you found this video resourceful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. That would mean the world to me. Until next time, I'll see you all on the next video.